With Kiroku Docs, you can easily convert your notes into a range of ready-to-send documents. This might be a patient letter, a letter to a referring clinician, a consent form, or something else. You have lots of flexibility to create whatever docs you need. To start, you need to add some docs templates to your account. We have stock templates available for a number of different letter types. These can be found in the Docs part of the template library. To add one, simply click the Add button. Remember that we can help you build or customize any Kiroku Docs template, so if you're not finding what you're looking for, please get in touch with us. We'll be happy to help you create whatever you need. All of your docs live in the Docs tab on the sidebar. Here you can see your docs templates, saved drafts, and auto-saved drafts, as well as any docs that you have downloaded or sent through Kiroku. To create a doc, you need to start from a completed set of notes. You can either create your doc immediately after finishing your notes, or by opening up a draft. The docs generator can be found in the launch panel on the right-hand side of your screen, as well as in the end zone of your note. From here, simply click the doc template you want to use. This will take you to the docs generator interface. It may take a few moments for the AI to create your doc. Now that your doc has been created, you can either edit the content of the doc directly or use the AI editor to make changes. You can give the AI editor multiple instructions at once. If you need to refer back to your notes, you can simply click on the Notes tab. If you spot a mistake in your notes, we suggest saving the stock as a draft before you go back to edit your notes. You can then reopen this draft document and ask the AI editor to regenerate or update your doc. Once you're happy with your doc, you can send it to the recipient directly from Kiroku. You can also download it to your computer as a PDF or Word document and send it by any other means. If you use Kiroku's Tracked Docs feature, your doc will be emailed as an online, viewable document that is hosted in our secure care portal. The recipient can view, sign, and download the sent letter. From the Docs tab, you can see the status of that document. For example, whether it has been sent, read, or signed. From here, you can also view and download any signed documents. To edit a docs template, go to the Docs tab and open the Edit option from the template card. Docs relies on different kinds of AI instructions to populate your letter, which are outlined along the right side information panel. These include placeholders that pull through information from your notes, for example, a patient's name or their history, word-for-word language, which specifies exactly how you want information to be written. This is very powerful for making sure that your letter outputs exactly what you want it to. You can also include guidance for the AI. This could be around the presentation of information. For example, if you want it presented as a list or conditional instructions, such as to only show information if certain conditions are met. These different types of instructions can be used in combination. Here's one example of this. If a patient has porcelain veneers planned, we have told the AI to include specific information about porcelain veneers, including the preparation in fit, longevity, risks, the tooth preparation, and the maintenance. We've also included an image explaining what porcelain veneers are. The rest of the letter covers other potentially planned treatments. If multiple treatments are suggested or discussed in the notes, they will be included in your docs. Remember that everything in your docs template is completely customizable, and our team are available to help you with this. Please feel free to get in touch if you have any questions or would like any help getting started. We're always happy to help.